going to show you the cat-cow stretch. It's a great movement to get a little bit more mobility throughout your thoracic spine. So I'm actually gonna show you the side view here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna start out in quadruped. So on your hands and knees, your spine is neutral. As you exhale, you're gonna round your spine up. Think about taking your belly button to the ceiling. And then as you inhale, you're